The next speaker is Buteau, that will talk about he's from SOLEIL, and he talk about the TANGO Workshop.
Okay, good morning, everybody. I will try to summarize what happened during the TANGO workshop. It was organized mostly by Andy Goetz and Jean-Michel Chaise from ISRF. So basically, in terms of organizations, there were about 40 participants. A survey had been done before the workshop to know what were the expectations of the audience. And surprisingly, the majority of the attendee of the workshop will use TANGO on large-scale system, more than 100,000 devices, and 40% of the attendees were complete new buy. A TANGO virtual machine, a TANGO VirtualBox machine was given to the participant so that they could play with the tools. And there were presentations from very diverse institutes, ISRF, of course, Max4, Tata Consulting, SKA, the Russian Institute, DESI, Electra, which showed, in my mind, the diversity of the current TANGO community. And the speakers were also quite young, much younger than I am, so it proves the vitality of the underlying community of developers of the TANGO ecosystem. Regarding the workshop itself, we had some good presentation on TANGO and software engineering concepts. And after using TANGO for 15 years, I discovered that it was quite modern, in fact, thanks to Andy, who showed us that concept as a very interesting modern concepts such as microservices and actors. The TANGO consulting company also presented a very interesting approach to extend the model-driven engineering of TANGO, which would allow to simulate large control system, and probably will ease the integration of SKA project, for example. So it could be very interesting engineering practices in TANGO. There has been also numerous presentations about the integration of TANGO with very modern tools, software tools, such as Jupyter, Elasticsearch, the openness to the web, thanks to the now official web REST API, and also presentation about the HDB++ system, which make use of NoSQL database for large data storage. There had been also a very appreciated PyTango hands-on tutorial, and as I mentioned, the TANGO VirtualBox that you can download if you want to play with all the components which have been updated and are available in the new virtual machine. I think, to conclude, that I think that participant feedbacks were very positive, as they got a complete picture in one day of the TANGO concept and what were the existing latest tools.